Guys, today's video we'll be learning how to, what was it called again?
Water running.
Water running. Alright, bro, let's get into it, man.
Okay, so follow me. First, we gotta go to beach.
Alright.
Oh, by the way, I'm Evan, and I will be teaching King Worldwide T. Let's go.
Let's go. It has been
Alright,
5
so
days
first,
since I
go to
uploaded
beach,
a video.
obviously. Oh, and by the way, I have a channel. I don't have any videos, but you can go check me out at, okay, so it's MUNSTER_MOONER.
Alright,
That's
hold up.
Munster Mooner.
Bro, I keep lagging. My headset's about to fall off my face. I don't really... Beach is my least favorite map.
Wait, King World.
Yeah?
Alright. Have you done a face reveal on your channel yet?
No.
Alright. If you can't learn it by the end of this vid, you gotta do a face reveal. Deal or no?
Deal.
Alright. So will I when I hit 100 subscribers.
Beach is really not my favorite map. Because it's hard for me to get out. Oh.
Okay.
Hold up, I just hit my hand. Hold up, I just hit my hand hard on a mattress.
You good, brother?
Yeah. It just hurts.
Alright, fam. So, to water run, you need 2 balloons. Okay. Now, by the way, they have slight buoyancy, so that's why you need them. Alright, so you go over here. Now you want a little start by doing this. So watch.
Like this?
Come up here real quick. A little start by vertical pushing like this.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Okay. But underwater.
Underwater?
Yes, you're going to do that real quick. Make sure to keep on the water. And then stretch your arms out as far as you can and make a W. And then press up and down on the water.
Hold on, I got stuck.
In a little, rhythm in your brain. Or like in real life. So look, go
like this?
W? Nope, not like that. Halfway. Look. Keep yourself straight underwater. Make sure you go above the water now. Keep your hands... Okay, keep your hands straight like this. So that you will go straight up. And then you're just going to go in a stepping motion with your arms as far out as they can go. And then you should become a pro eventually.
Like this? Like this?
By the way, I was lying. Oh, you started doing it at the end.
Wait, lie about
By the way,
what?
I was lying, you don't need the balloons. Alright.
Oh.
Make a W? Here, let me show you. Make a W like this.
Okay. Okay.
Make it straight. Nope, straight. Down.
Oh, straight.
Perfect. So if you want it, look, here, let's go to flat ground. You want it so both of them would be touching. That's it.
Like this?
Straight down, yes. You know what you're going to do? You're just gonna do a steady little melody. And then when you get better, you can go faster and faster, like, no, see,
Like that? Huh?
you don't
Like-
want to do this. You want to do this.
Oh, like above it?
Yeah, so go fast enough to the point where you can stay above.
Okay.
Also, slow enough where you can make the melody in there.
Ah, hold up.
So I know I've already showed you this, but this is what it should look like when it's done.
Like this?
Slightly, yes, except you keep falling under the water. You want to, look, keep your arms underwater while you're going, right? Then you're going to slowly go up, and then you're going to stay above the water. It's kind of...
Oh my god. Hold up.
By the way, it took me like a month to learn this.
A
So I
month?
don't expect you to learn it just today, but you never know.
How does he do that? Oh, my arms hurt for doing it.
I don't really know how to do it. It's called like pendulum swimming.
Hold up. I'm gonna go underwater real quick. Is that all?
That's really all I can teach you. And
All
you
right.
did do it a couple times. So I'm gonna say to everybody out there. Come over here. You are gonna do a face reveal at 1K.
Okay.
Or 500, which one? 500 or 1K?
500.
Alright.
Deal.
So, Kingston will be doing a face reveal at 500, well, 1K, no, 500. So,
That's
make
the
sure
end.
to
Like and subscribe for more content.